We will learn how to make the following diagram as quickly as possible. Let me add a new slide. Change the layout to blank side. Paste it here. So there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects over there. Just wait. Drag and drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I showed in my last video, shape object, align vertical horizontally. This will be the first row. And then select all this, group it. 1, 2, 3. Again, group it horizontally. Exactly same group. Now this two group, I need a different circle one. Perfect. Again, regroup it all. We can just resize the value. This thing we can do not only just objects but anything in the table in the PowerPoint slide.